in South until 11:30 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling and flooding occurring at Perkiomen Creek at East Greenville. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Pottstown, Phoenixville, Royersford, Trapp, East Greenville, Schweittsville, Green Lane, Gilbertsville, Spring Mount, Cheddarville, Putown, and Jerryville. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 317 and 318. Northeast extension between mile markers 37 and 44. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The current time is 7:23 p.m.